Hello and welcome. This is my vlog number 420. A lesson for everyone. A mouse looking through a hole in the wall sees the farmer and his wife open a package. He was terrified to see that it was a mousetrap. He ran to the patio to warn everyone. There's a mousetrap at home! There's a mousetrap at home! Hey, there's a mousetrap at home! The chicken that was cackling and digging says, "Caw-caw." Excuse me, Mr. Mouse. I understand that it is a big problem for you, but it doesn't hurt me at all. So the mouse went to the lamp, and it says the same thing. Meh. Excuse me, Mr. Mouse, but I don't think I can do more than ask for you in my prayers. The mouse went to the cow, and she said, "Oh, but am I in danger? I think not." The mouse returned to the house, worried and dejected, to face the farmer's mousetrap. That night, a great noise was heard, like that of a mousetrap catching its victim. The woman ran to see what she had caught. In the dark, she did not see that the mousetrap caught the tail of a poisonous snake. The speedy snake bit the woman. So the farmer immediately took her to the hospital. But she came back with a high fever. The farmer, to comfort her, prepared a nutritious soup, grabbed a knife, and went to find the main ingredient, the chicken. The woman did not get better, so friends and neighbors came to visit them. The farmer killed the lamb to feed them. Still, the woman did not get better and died. And in the end, the husband sold the cow to the slaughterhouse to cover the funeral expenses. The next time someone tells you about their problem and you think it doesn't affect you because it's not yours and you don't pay attention to it, think twice. He who doesn't live to serve doesn't serve to live. He who doesn't live to serve doesn't serve to live. The world is not going badly because of the wickedness of the bad, but because of the apathy of the good. So when someone needs you for their problems, give them your hand or give them a word of encouragement. May you never lack empathy. Remember it very well. Empathy. The great scientist Albert Einstein once said, and I quote, "Strange is our situation here upon earth. Each of us comes for a short visit, not knowing why, yet sometimes seeming to divine a purpose. There is one thing that I know. Man is here for the sake of other men. That man is here for the sake of other men. In the context of daily life, however, there is one thing we do know, that man is here for the sake of other men. Strange is our situation here upon earth. Each of us comes for a short visit, not knowing why, yet sometimes seeming to divine a purpose. From the standpoint of daily life, however, there is one thing we do know, that man is here for the sake of other men. Dennis Waitley once said, and I quote, "No man or woman is an island. To exist just for yourself is meaningless.